Hey, Dr. Corinne Weaver here, and I am the author of No More Meds and Learning How to Breathe. And today I got for you the Adrenal Stress Recovery Kit. And what that means is what I can do is help you recover from stress. And your adrenals are those little glands right above your kidneys, but what controls them is your brainstem area, where your vasomotor center is, where you control your breathing. And so in this kit, you get my awesome book called Learning How to Breathe. And the reason I designed this book is to really help you recover from stress. It's mostly a stress management book, which is kind of cool. But I explain everything we do here in the office and how we've been able to help people deal with not only stress recovery, but with their adrenals and how that's designed to really in life. It's to help you, but what's happened is we overstimulate them all the time when we don't really cause them to relax. And so people can't sleep at night, and then they're tired and they're losing their hair, and all these weird symptoms happens to their body. And what comes with the kit is actually a gratitude journal, because I find this is the most important part of the recovery, is actually coming up. This is my positive, it's the gratitude positive journal, meaning like you have to write things in here that are positive and healing. No negative thoughts go into this journal. Every night you're things that you're grateful for that day. When my mom was diagnosed with glioblastoma, stage 5 brain cancer, and only given 3 months to live, she also had a journal, and she wrote things that she was grateful for every day. So if I know someone that's had stage 5 cancer and was still grateful, you have things today that you are grateful for. And I'm going to make it really simple for you. There's actually something called Adapten-all, and it's a great adrenal blend that actually helps you adapt to stress. And so you take 1 or 2, depending how much stress you're under. Actually, I needed to live on this for like a year, but I haven't taken it all year. It's been amazing how it's helped my adrenals kind of recover due to under stress I was under, taking care of my mom and my practice and my kids. Remember, I have 3 kids and a husband. So I'm under a lot of pressure and stress, and believe me, I needed some of this stuff, okay? It's okay. But I was able to adapt to stress better and not go crazy. So this is 1 or 2 that you can take to help really adapt to the stressful environment that we live in. These are the essential oil blends that I created. One is called Revive, and what I find is when your adrenals are shot, you have no energy. And so Revive wakes you up and gives you energy. And all you have to do is place it behind your ears. Ideally when you want energy in the morning, or maybe in the afternoon, or maybe around that 4 or 5 o'clock hour when you're trying to create dinner. I feel like that's the most stressful time. And then at night you want to wind down. And so this one's called Relax, and it helps you really just kind of drift off to sleep. And I encourage breathing exercises, which goes along with my book, but also in this program you'll get an email series of talking about different stretches and different things that you can do to help relax and recover your body and get your body breathing in a good breathing pattern to help you deal with stress. The last thing is magnesium. Magnesium is a great mineral that a lot of people are lacking. And so when you take magnesium at night, it's kind of like a natural muscle relaxant. So you could take that and help recovery from stress. So here's my little recovery kit. I hope it leads you to a healthier life. And I thank you for watching, and I hope that this helps you today.